Hey, what's up, y'all? So, I took a little break from YouTube for a minute. I had to focus on some stuff, and so I'm back with another gun discussion. Let me pause that. Okay, so now I'm back. Um, I don't know how often I'm going to be doing these, but yeah. So we got a gun discussion. I want to talk about the difference between AR pistols and AR rifles. Now I know it's stupid, but the difference is between an AR pistol and a rifle is the barrel length. If the barrel is under 16 inches, they classify that as a pistol. Why, I don't know. I mean, you cannot conceal a short barrel rifle. That's pretty much what it is. But anything under 16 is considered a pistol. Now, this is my newest one that I got. This is my AR pistol. It's the newest one. Um, this one was built and it is registered. I had to go downtown to get this registered as AR pistol. And when you buy it, also I want to talk about that as well. So you can go in a gun store and buy a complete AR pistol, and you just drop the forms off your like you buy a handgun. Same steps, but the difference is I built this one. So when you go and buy a strip lower, and what I mean by strip lower is no mechanical parts in there, no nothing. This is stripped. Nothing but the frame. They consider that as other. So when you buy that, it is not a pistol, it is not a rifle. But depending on what you're building it to be, you can build it to be a rifle or you can build it to be a pistol. But if you build it to be a pistol, you have to go get this registered. Of course, they do the background check when you buy the lower receiver, a strip lower receiver, because they consider that to be the firearm part. So that have a serial number, which I'm not going to show, but they have a serial number. And once you do the background check, that is registered. If you pass and everything, that is under your name. You take that paper and go file it, but don't do it right away because what you're gonna have to do is once you get your upper or build your upper, you're gonna have to measure the barrel length and then the overall length from the stock to the front. Now let's talk about the stock. Now the stock, you have to have a pistol brace on a pistol AR like this. You cannot put a rifle stock on here. If you do that, that's a felony. So whatever you do, don't put this on here at all, or you'll be going to jail. Now, another stupid ass rule: scope. You cannot have a full scope on here. So here's my full size 16-inch AR rifle. Don't have a pistol, stock. It's adjustable. It's classified. This one is classified as a rifle. It's it's under my name, but you don't have to go register this like you do a pistol, AR pistol. So you cannot put this scope on this because this is a what the hell is this? 10 by 40 scope. Yeah, 10 by 40 scope. But the type of scope I have on my AR pistol is not a magnifier. Oh, and it is empty. So that's not a magnifier. All I do is put a dot on it. But as you can see, it's not magnifying anything. There's no adjustments to magnify, to zoom in, or nothing. So when you building these, like I said, you measure from barrel length, which this is 10 inches, 10.5, I think. Now I could have went shorter, but I don't want one. I didn't want one that was that short. So that's this is overall I think it's about 26 inches or something like that. But when you file in the paperwork, you know you gotta take it to your police station or something and get the serial number off the lower. But here's the thing: this lower is married to this gun. It's married to a pistol title, so I cannot take this lower and put it on my rifle. That's a felony. So it is married. So say for instance you build this lower and you take it off. Say nothing was on there. You just built this lower. You take it off and put it on a rifle. Now that is a rifle. How would they know? I don't know. But that's the way the law works for these. So once you build this AR pistol and you get it registered, it is married to a AR pistol title. So you can only put AR pistol uppers on it. So I'm just trying to give you all the insight of how to do it the legal way and make sure you are legit. Oh, now legally, I can ride with this in the car, loaded, and the reason I can do that is because it's a AR pistol. It's a classified as a pistol. But if you don't have a CPL, that won't work. So I suggest you, if you're gonna do that, have a CPL. Otherwise, you have to treat this like a handgun. You have to be riding in the car with it in the back, unloaded and all that. But because they classify this as a pistol, you can use this with your CPL title. So I just still don't understand how they classify this as a damn pistol, but whatever. Just do it the right way so they don't fuck with you. I almost forgot. So, since this one is not registered as a pistol, I am allowed. I am allowed to swap uppers out because this is not classified as a pistol. But because I put it on this gun already, it is classified as a rifle now. So you can switch uppers all day, but you cannot take that lower and put it on this. But this is fine. This setup is fine. 16-inch barrel, 16-inch upper, 16-inch upper with a stock rifle stock. That is legal. So I can literally take this off. And put that on. That's legal. Long as I don't put that on my AR pistol. Now, I'm not demonstrating because once you do that, they can get you. So I'm not going to demonstrate that on camera. So just know you can't do that. This AR pistol is this AR pistol is lower and this top is married to each other. No divorce. So yeah, 10-inch barrel. It's not a zoom sight. Overall length is 26 inches, and it can't pass, what is it, 28 or something like that. You must have a pistol stock on here for this to work. Now I don't know much about the foregrip, but I don't have a foregrip. This is not really, you know, I have them, but I gotta look more into that before I start putting that on this. You know, there's a lot of rules coming with this damn thing, dumbass ATF. But anyway, just make sure you do it the right legal way, so you protect it and they can't fuck with you. 10 anything under 16 inches is classified as rifle. I'm sorry, it's classified as pistol. Anything, don't put a rifle stock on a pistol, felony charge. Um, don't put no zoom scope on here. Just put a regular dot, red dot on here, or you can have, you can have these other attachments on it. That's fine, but just do it the legal way. Cause I'm telling you, they trying to come after everybody for the stupidest reasons. So, yeah, I just want to get on here and share that little knowledge of, with you guys. Just cover your asses, cause they want to have every excuse to take your stuff. If you got an AR pistol, do it the legal way. All right. Till next time. Peace.